beautiful space here. I'm glad you could share the moment with me. It's an epic environment. Another day in paradise. This is the 30th of December 2025. Beautiful space. This is called Robberg Peninsula. Robberg Peninsula is one of the most cherished places on the whole garden route of the South Cape coast of Africa. Glad I can share it with you. Ideal place to be. Paradise on earth. Heaven and earth are both present in one world here with us. So wherever you are, may you be able to tap in to the heaven that is still available. Here on planet Earth, at its best. A wonderful space to become calm and focused and remember the real goal of life, to awaken full consciousness in this human body. What a treasure we have. Until next time, from another place in paradise, this is your host Jules from the Cape, signing off.